CUSIMAX stand mixer CMKM 218 and 218R. R is for the red mixer. What are mixers for? Oh, you can do a lot of things with them in the kitchen. You can make your dough, you can make your bread mix, you can make anything imaginable. So what we're going to do is unbox this, give you a close-up look, and of course we're going to bring in the chef, and she's going to show you how things are done. So let's get right to the products, the hardware that you get inside the unit. Please check online for all the information provided. You get an instruction manual, a spatula, 2 types of mixers. You get the bowl, and inside is another mixer. We have a unlocking mechanism. It unlocks, and there is one mixer. It oscillates in a design. The bowl twists off counterclockwise, and you can see this is the way it locks in. On the top is a plastic protector that has a door that you can add in your ingredients. There's a speed of 1, 2, 3, 4, right up to 6. To take the mechanism off, and we're doing this without reading instructions, is twist clockwise or follow your thumb with your palm down. Righty is tighty. That's the way it comes off. And just take your other mixer, whatever, lefty, loosey, or your palm this way, and just look for the locking key. Push up the spring and lock in. Change out. Place on. Really that easy. You just got to get used to it. You can see I make a mistake. And here it is, as we learn. Once again, you put this on with a little bit more care than the other because of the way this is. There you have it. If you're uncertain how things work, they have it marked down nice and clear for you. We have the cable that we're going to plug into the outlet. And we're going to turn the machine on. And you notice it won't work unless this will go into a locking stand. Lock it. And you can see how nice it runs. It lights up a nice blue, and you can see the way it spins. When everything is completed, you lift up. You take the bowl out. You rinse it, clean it, whatever. Let's place the bowl in. And lock it into place and close it down. You always have to hold into a locking position and lock it in. Some of the things we get are new to us, and the mixer is new to us. And here we have somebody that never used the mixer. We'll try our best to show you how we like it and use it. We'll show our best how we are able to use the mixer.
Well, I'm going to attempt to make a blueberry loaf cake in the mixer. I know this is for bread. I don't know what this is for. I'll have to look at the instruction book. And, oh, nice stir, that I know. Can you tell me what this paddle is for?
That is called the flat beater. The speed setting will be 2 to 4 minutes for 7 minutes time. The kneading hook is 1 to 2 speed setting, 30 seconds at speeds 1 and 2, 5 minutes at speed 2 for 1000 G flour and 600 milliliters of water. And inside the unit, did you know it came with the whisk? The whisk speed is at 6 for 7 minutes. At least an egg white of 3 eggs is to be used.
So this is the whisk?
That's called the whisk.
Now, when I want to put in my eggs and butter, I use the whisk, I imagine. We're going to start. We're going to give it a try. I added my butter, putting in my sugar.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, I put in my butter, my sugar, and now I'm going to add my eggs, and we're going to give this a try and see how it works. I'm also going to put in the vanilla, and we'll see how it whisks. Okay, now let's turn it on. How do we lower this? Like this. And what do we do to turn it on? Seems to be creaming.
We're going to try a different paddle. This is how we lift the machine up.
Oh,
we
thank
hit
you.
the locking mechanism, let it spring up by itself, and this is how we're going to take off the whisk. We're going to turn it clockwise, carefully not to drop it in, and we're going to put this in the sink, and we're going to put on the new paddle, and you're going to spring it up and lock it in counterclockwise. And we're going to push the machine down or use the mechanism, lock into place, spin it on. With the correct paddle used, it's mixing nice and easy. We're going to take the cover off by simply sliding down, taking the mechanism off by clockwise, and placing it on. And then we're able to close the machine down, and maybe a little easier way to add things while we spin.
All right, let's try adding.
If there is difficulty, we'll lift the machine up.
Wait a second.
And we'll dump in our ingredients.
Okay, put it on. Let's try it again. Let's see if...
And the machine will automatically go on like so.
That seems to be it. It looks pretty good. It did its job. It really did a good job. It mixed the batter. It saved me all from using my muscles. It did the work for me. And it easy to scrape it off. Okay, it did a good job. My batter is done. It's easy to manipulate this bowl, this mixing bowl. Now all I have to do is pour it into my...
We all know to prepare the machine, clean it, rinse it, wash it. And is this dishwasher safe? Yes, you could take the bowl off and you could stick it into your dishwasher and wash it if you like, or hand wash it. All depends on you. You have, again, your splash guard. That the splash guard is very simple to slide on. It feels like it's a suction cup with silicone on the bottom to hold it. So there you have the machine. It's all about the mixer, not about baking the cake and showing you the cake and that. I hope this machine by CUSIMAX may be right for you.